Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can write a Python program which will compare two different lists and print the item intersected between the lists. So if A is present in two lists, it will print that A is present in list A and is present in list B, right? So here we start. Create a file named as comp_list. Then after, we need to create a first list which is named as A. So in list A there is A, there is a B, there is C, there is G, there is L and K. In list B there is, let me put just a few items. In list there is G, there is D, there is E and there is L, right? So these are two lists, which is list A and list B. So our program will print the item intersected between the two lists. Here, as we can see, G is present in list A and is present in list B. L is present in list A and in list B. So that is the main functionality of our program. So nk is equal to set bracket A dot intersection dot B, right? So A intersection B. Here for x in A, if x in nk, then print, we need to print that x is present in both list A and B, in both list A and B, right? Else I need to path, else pass. So actually this is our program. Let's learn this program and see what's happened. Python comp list, Python comp list.py. Oops. Python comp list, Python comp lists.py. Invalid syntax. What's wrong? Here is intersection B. Now we can see G is present in both list A and B. As we can see here, is true. G is present in list A and in list B. L is present in both list A and list B. So actually this is an end of our tutorial on how to find the intersection element between two or between two lists in Python. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment, share and subscribe for the next video update. Thank you and see you in the next tutorials.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.